Hello everybody, this is the new Wolf Gourmet Coffee System, and I'm going to unbox this just to see what's inside and to see how it looks. So before I do that, let's just get a quick shot of the packaging. Here's the front. Some of the bullet points include brews up to 10 cups. You got the AccuBrew mode, uses an integrated scale to weigh coffee, optimal brewing temperature and time, and it can do up to 10 cups, and of course you get the 5-year warranty. Here's the other side, which is basically the same thing, and then here's the back where you get some of the bullet points that goes over what it includes, how it works. You got your filters, of course your red knobs, and then the other side includes the type of coffee that you can make. You got hot coffee, iced coffee, and more. So without further ado, let's just jump right in and see what's inside. Here's your instruction manual. And now I gotta try to figure out how to take this out of the box because it's kind of big and heavy. Let's do one of these where we flip it upside down. Hopefully this is the right way. Okay, put this off to the side. Not sure what this is. This is the first time I am seeing this. Okay, that's it. There we go. Okay, so here's the craft, stainless steel. The unit comes in this huge bag. I'm just going to rip it open. There we go. And here's the front. Top is taped for protection. Okay. See if I can get this off real quick. Okay. So there it is. Got the cord on the bottom. Let's see if I can take this apart real quick if I can figure this out. Here's your water jug, which is taped. Has a handle on the side, nice and easy to grab. And then here is the filter. You can learn more about that on the website. But this is it. So of course you have your red knobs, control scheme up top here. Put the picture in there. Let's get a shot of the side. And then the back. Back pretty simple. And the other side, and then the unit. So here it is. This is the new Wolf Gourmet Coffee System. Thanks for watching.